Hello and welcome to the Chrissy B Show. My name's Hannah Richards and today we're going to make a chicken ramen soup. We've got some bean sprouts, we've got some rice noodles, we've got some chicken, some rocket and watercress leaves, courgettes, spring onions, a selection of herbs and a selection of spices. So the first things first, I'm going to put a ring of rice noodles into a hot pan and get them going. They'll take literally 2 minutes. Whilst they are going, we're going to start chopping all the things that we need for the topping of the chicken. So these are just spring onions and I'm just going to quarter them. Watch your fingers. And then we're just going to line them up on our little dish that's going to accompany the chicken ramen. Then we've got some coriander. So there's our coriander. Then I'm going to take some chilies and I'm just going to scour out the seeds in the middle. So I'm just going to add some strips of chili that we're going to put on top. I'm going to cut some ginger, some fresh ginger strips. Then we've got our bean sprouts. They're going to go there. Our little bit of watercress and rocket around on the plate there. And then we've got our chicken. So these are just some grilled chicken thighs in there. Okay. So there is your sort of all the ingredients that we're going to add in to our chicken ramen once it's nice and hot and our noodles are done. So those noodles should be done now. As I said, they probably take about 3 to 7 minutes depending on how hot you've got them. And on top, I'm going to pour my bone broth. So I'm now going to just pour them into our bowl. There. So I'm just going to... So then we're going to put in some bean sprouts. We're going to put in some coriander, sprinkle some ginger, some chilies, make sure we get our nice bright green chilies in there, some spring onion, and our chicken on the top. There we go. Then I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt, as always, some black pepper, and just for an extra bit of spice, we're going to put a pinch of crushed chili. And there you go, guys. Your 5-minute, really quick and easy, inexpensive, but most nourishing lunch that you'll ever make for yourself. Chicken ramen bone broth. I'm Hannah Richards and I've been cooking for the Chrissy B Show. Have a great day, guys.